Hello amazing people, welcome back to a new video guys. How you all doing today? Hope you're all doing great and hope you're generally fine today guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a long sleeve, a perfect long sleeve. Okay, super easy guys. So here I have two prints. I'm using the fabric, the African print fabric and the plain fabric. So this sleeve I'm going to be attaching it to a beautiful dress I made in my previous video, which by the way I have linked up already in the description box. In case you've not seen it, please kindly go ahead and watch it. It's an A-line dress with ruffles, very beautiful outfit then. So like I said, I'm mixing these two prints as you can see. So and the length of the dress I'm going to be working with is 25. Okay, yeah. So for that reason, since I'm mixing it up, I had to split it. Okay, so for the top of this the upper part, which is going to be for the one for the African print, I want it to be 10 inches. Okay, yeah, 10 inches for the upper part of the sleeve. So 10 inches, I'm going to add extra 0.5 inches at the top and the lowest part, which will make it 11. Then for the lowest part, if you take away 10 from 25, that means it's 15, right? So I'm using 15 inches here. Then because of the allowance 0.5 inches to join it to the other piece and also to hem it at the lowest part, that makes it what 16.5. I hope you understand that. Yeah. So what I'll do first now is to go join this piece together before we start drafting out. So I'm just going to open it up like so. Okay, and also the plain fabric. So I'm going to what arranging it the way it's meant to look. Then I'll sew. I'm just going to sew 0.5 inches, that allowance we left, so you can see how this looks. I've also finished up the edge. Is very important and giving this a very good press. So at this point now we can now go ahead and start drafting our long sleeve. Okay, yeah, so this is how it looks. So I'll just place the both piece over each other so that I can have my two sleeve cut out together. Okay, yeah. So the first thing to do now is to impute the vertical measurement. So from the length of the top length of the sleeve, the first is the bicep. The bicep is the biggest part of the arm. The next is the 3/4 length. I'm taking that at 15 inches. Then of course the length of the dress, of the sleeve rather, which is 25. Then of course some hemming allowance, which is about 1 inches hemming allowance. Okay, length to the bicep 7, to the 3/4 length 15, then the full length of the sleeve 25, and 1 inches extra allowance for folding at the lower part. So you can see this, we have our straight lines here. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fix in the cap height of 4, which is ideal for an average woman. You can use 4 or 5. I usually use 4, but if you want to go by calculation, that's the bust circumference, you divide by 12, then you add 0.5 inches to it. Okay, yeah. So on this cap height line here, you also indicate the armhole circumference, which in this case is 18 divided by 2, that's 9. You can see that. Then I just added extra 1 inches. Okay, yeah. So this width of fold is actually the armhole circumference. That's what we're working with here. I hope you understand that. Yeah. So from that point now, I'm going to be marking out a straight a slant line, as you see me doing, from the edge there to the point, to the tip of that the top, the beginning part of the sleeve. You can see the slant line. Then I'm going to get a midpoint. So what I have was 10.5. So the midpoint is about 5.25. Okay, so I'll place it now and indicate that 5.25. So that's the midpoint there. So from the top now, or to one facing going inwards, I'm going to create a curve inwards and outwards. So a curve inwards about 0.75 inches. Okay, a curve inwards, you can see this, it will come to that midpoint, then come outwards again about 0.5 inches. Okay, I hope you understand. Just follow the shape, you curve inwards then outward, that's it. So this gives you your inverted S shape. You can see this here. So after that now I'll start imputing the horizontal measurement. Okay, yeah. So but it's also important to check out what you have on the curve. You can see what we have is 11.5, which by the way, if you remember, okay, yeah, when we are cutting out our dress, that was exactly what I had. So it's always important to check that to be sure that it will match up. So after that now, fixing in the biggest part of the measurement, which is the bicep circumference at 14 divided by 2, 7. Then I'll add extra 1 inches. The next is the 3/4 circumference at 12 divided by 2, that's 6. I'll take note of that and also add extra 1 inches. Then the next is the ankle, the circumference there, and divided by 2 is 11, so 2, that's 5.5. Okay, 10 rather, divided by 2, 5. Then add extra 1 inches. Okay, so we just have our points marked out. The next thing, of course, is to what? Connect all these lines together. Okay, yeah, so there's nothing difficult here. This is quite easy and straightforward. Okay, yeah, so that's it, guys. So once you have this all mapped out, of course, the next thing, of course, to do what is to cut this out. Okay, yes, guys, so just following the shape the way it is, cut through the shapes there, and we have our long sleeve ready. You can see this, guys. So this is all ready. Yes, guys. So of course, once we are done cutting now, I'm just notching out the center. It's always good to notch this out because this indicates where you'll be joining it at the shoulder part joining of the dress as well. So notch the center. I'm also notching out that the hemline where we're going to be making our fold. Okay, yeah, so just makes everything easy. And this is it, guys. Yeah, so once I'm done now with the drafting, you can go ahead and make your fold at the hemline there. After making a fold like so, then you go ahead and join the sides. After joining the sides, then you can attach it to the dress of your choice where you want to attach it. It's as easy as that, guys. Yes, guys, so that is it, guys, on how to make a perfect long sleeve here. Thank you so much, guys, as we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give me a very big like, and also if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do that as well. Thank you, guys. See you on the next video. Have a wonderful day.